How to replace an expanding drum on a Hiretech drum sander. This how-to guide applies to the Hiretech HT8 expanding drum sander. The part number for replacement drums can be found in the description below. Before starting, make sure your sander is disconnected from power and you are using the appropriate safety gear. The expanding drum floor sander offers truly tool-free abrasive installation. The unique drum design uses a continuous abrasive belt. This means there are no screws or retainers for the abrasive. As the drum spins, the fingers open to grip the belt. Poorly prepared timber floors are the #1 cause of early drum wear. Ensuring nails and fixings are countersunk well below the sanding surface will prevent this. We recommend between 2 to 4 mm, but this does depend on the condition of your floor. To replace the expanding drum, simply tip the sander on its left side. You'll know you're on the correct side when you can see the drum guard and guard clip. Carefully release the safety clip and move the cover out of the way. Using a breaker bar, insert it through the drum. The other end will be braced against the casting ribs on the sander body. Using a 13 mm socket, undo the drum retaining bolt. Then using your breaker bar, remove the drum off the drum shaft. If the drum is tight and will not slide off the shaft, reinstall the drum retaining bolt all the way and turn it back 1 full turn. Then using either a copper or soft face hammer, hit the bolt to release the drum. Remove the worn drum and set it aside. Grab your new drum and take note of the markings on the end. They will indicate the drum orientation and the shear pin location. Install the drum on the shaft, taking care to correctly locate the shear pin. Use your breaker bar to hold the drum in place. And then tighten the drum bolt to 25 Nm using a torque wrench. Lower the drum guard and return the sander to the upright position.